Good morning everyone to today's grammar online class. So students, today our topic is pronouns. Pronouns, as you know, with its name itself, that we are talking about those words which come in place of a noun. Fine. When we say a sentence, for example, let us take Raman is a good girl. Raman goes to school daily. Raman likes to eat ice cream. Fine. So, if we are using Raman again in the paragraph, it looks a bit odd. So, to improve this, we use pronouns. So, as with the sentence, we know that Raman is a girl, so we will use she. तो हम she यूज करेंगे बार बार रमन की रिपीटेशन में. तो then the paragraph will be like this: Raman is a good girl. Raman, she. Instead of Raman, then we use she. She likes to go to school. She likes to eat ice cream. Fine. So, as you have seen in my paragraph, I have used she for Raman. And why I have used she for Raman? Because Raman is a feminine, Raman is a girl. Okay? For example, we have many pronouns according to your class, according to your grade. I have taken these, a few simple pronouns. I, we, he, she, it. आप सबको पता है हम I कहाँ यूज करते हैं? I we use for ourselves. जब हम अपनी बात करते हैं. I am a teacher. Yes, then I is used. We, हम we कहाँ पर यूज करते हैं? जब आप भी दूसरे बहुत सारों के साथ इन्वॉल्व होते हो किसी काम में. We are enjoying the party. मतलब उस पार्टी में आप भी हो और आपके साथ बहुत सारे जने हैं. Fine. Then we use we. He is used for males, for male nouns. She is used for feminine, for ladies, for lady, for girl, for woman. It is used for non-living things. It is used for non-living things. Or we use it for a small baby जिसका आपको पता नहीं है वो बेबी बॉय है या बेबी गर्ल है. Then also we use it. Fine. Now let us talk about singular and plural pronouns. As you know, singulars are one noun, plurals are many nouns. Fine. तो उस चीज को भी ध्यान में रखते हुए we have to choose certain pronouns in the sentences. अब जैसे हम सिंगुलर की बात कर रहे हैं, then we use he, she, it for singular nouns. For example, he is a good player. He runs very fast. So here we are talking about a boy, a male. Fine? हम किसी मेल की बात कर रहे हैं. If we talk about this pronoun she also is a singular pronoun. अब ये singular pronoun क्यों है? क्योंकि यहाँ हम सिर्फ एक girl, एक lady, एक woman के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. This is a feminine pronoun. तो feminine है और ये she हम one singular noun के लिए यूज करते हैं. She is running very fast. She cooks very delicious food. Fine. अब it है जो ये भी singular है. It हम एक चीज के लिए यूज करते हैं जब like for example we'll say it is a chair. It is made up of wood. Fine. So here for non-living things we use it. The baby is crying. Please pick it up. Now here for the baby I have used it क्योंकि मुझे नहीं पता वो बहुत small है, वो baby boy है कि girl है, then I use here it. Understand? Now come to the genders. Now, like nouns, we have kind of genders also in pronouns. For example, we have masculine, we have feminine, we have neuter and common genders also. For example, when we talk about masculine, then we use he. Fine. For feminine, we use she. For neuter, for non-living things, or for the baby whom you don't know that it's a boy or a girl, we use it. And for common, now do you know what are common? Common are those gender जब हम एक टीचर, अब टीचर मेल भी हो सकता है, फीमेल भी हो सकता है, डॉक्टर मेल भी हो सकता है, डॉक्टर फीमेल भी हो सकता है. हम ऐसे नहीं बोलते कि ही डॉक्टर या शी डॉक्टर. Yes, so we use common pronouns over there. The doctors arrived in the hospital. They are busy in the meeting. So here I have used they, 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 क्योंकि वो जो हैं वो काफ़ी सारे हैं. वो जो डॉक्टर्स हैं वो काफ़ी हैं, वो ज़्यादा हैं, एक से ज़्यादा हैं. Then I use they here. So let us see more examples of usage of pronouns. First one, I am a boy. Now here, can you tell me what is pronoun? Can you find out pronoun in this sentence? I am a boy. So here the pronoun is I. I is pronoun, and I is referring to you. When you are talking about yourself, then I is used. Now next sentence is she is a girl. She is a girl. Now here noun is girl. Noun is girl. तो जैसे मैम ने आपको पहले समझाया कि गर्ल के लिए हम कौन सा प्रोनाउन यूज करते हैं. गर्ल के लिए हम यूज करते हैं she. गर्ल के लिए she. They are playing in the park. अब जो they है, they प्रोनाउन हमने यूज किया है क्योंकि यहाँ पर we have more than one nouns. We have more than one nouns, so we will not use here he or she. We will use they. And take care that अगर आप उन जो खेल रहे हैं उनमें आप इन्वॉल्व नहीं हो तो आप we यूज नहीं करोगे. ओके बेटा. Then you will use THEY, they, मतलब वो सारे, not you. आप नहीं यूज. Next is we are enjoying the party. Now here I have used we. We जब हमने यूज किया, then it is clear that you are also involved in that party and you are also enjoying. But you alone is not there. आपके साथ और भी बहुत सारे हैं, तो हम यूज करते हैं we. Understand? Now next is it is a table. Now for table is a non-living thing, so I have used it. तो मैम ने यहाँ पर यूज किया it. Is this all clear to you children? Now let us again revise our concept. Now pronoun is a word. जो pronoun होता है वो word होता है जो किसी noun की place पर use होता है जब हमें बार बार noun की repetition नहीं चाहिए. Then we use pronoun. Fine. अब pronouns कौन कौन से हैं? I, we, he, she, it. Fine. they हम यूज करते हैं बहुत सारों के लिए. we हम यूज करते हैं जब आप भी इन्वॉल्व होते हो उसमें. फाइन. I we use to tell about our own selves. We use when you are involved in everyone. He is used for male. She is used for female. It is used for neuter gender. Now there are singular and plural pronouns. Singular pronouns I told you I, he, she, it. Plurals are अगर मैंने एक के साथ बात करनी है, मतलब एक दूसरे के साथ बात करनी है, then I use you are advised to sit there. Fine. But if I am using this you for all of you, for all, मैं तुम सब के बारे में जब बात कर रही हूँ, then I use you all are advised to sit quiet. Got it? You है जो, वो सिंगुलर भी यूज होता है, वो प्लूरल भी यूज होता है. यू सिंगुलर तब यूज होता है जब हम किसी एक के बारे में एक के साथ बात कर रहे हैं, और प्लूरल ये तब यूज होता है जब हम बहुत सारों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. फाइन. नाउ वी हैव genders, masculine he, feminine she, neuter it, common we use they. Fine. Hope everyone understood this and clear about pronouns. अब pronoun वो वाले words होते हैं जो हम noun की जगह पर उनकी बार बार repetition को नहीं करने के लिए जो words use करते हैं, they are pronouns. Fine children, hope everyone understand. Now take care of yourself. Goodbye.